Hey everyone, welcome to day 2 of virtual learning. On day 1, I don't know about you, but I learned a whole lot, and I think all of your teachers did. And there's just a couple things that I want to point out. First, you are learning online at your home, which means your teachers are not there to look over your shoulder and remind you of the directions. The directions are posted. We're going to be making slides every day and different things that tell you exactly what to do. You have to make sure you read it. If you don't read it, no one's there to look over your shoulder and say, hey, you didn't do that correctly. Hey, make sure you go finish that. You have to be responsible now. This is a great time for you to show that you are responsible enough to be ready to go to middle school soon. So you need to make sure that you are reading the directions and that you're finishing everything all the way. So I'm going to share my screen real quick and we're going to look at some things and I'm going to show you exactly what you should be doing, okay? So let me share that screen. First, if we go into writing, we talked yesterday about how you see things posted, but just go to classwork. On classwork, mine shows more, but this isn't posted yet. You won't see Wednesday until tomorrow. On Monday, there are 3 different things, so you need to make sure you've done all of them. First is a video you need to watch. Next, there's a PowerPoint. PPT here stands for PowerPoint. And then there's an exit ticket. You guys, y'all know what time of the class exit tickets happen in. It's the last thing. So that exit ticket needs to be the last thing you do. You cannot start an exit ticket before you've done the lesson, which is right here, okay? If you do, you're not gonna know what you're doing and it's not gonna be your best work. So make sure you look at everything first and you think in your brain, what needs to happen first today? On this exit ticket, look at this. 71 of you turned it in, 30 people haven't done it yet. 32 people haven't done it, which means 32 people right now have zeros. You have to make sure if there are 3 different things, you need to look at 3 different things and finish 3 different things. Today on Tuesday, you have 1. But if you go through here, you're gonna see you have work to do. So as you click through the slides, it's gonna talk to you about writing a mystery. And then it says here that you need to complete the graphic organizers on the next 2 slides, which means you're gonna click here and you're gonna start typing and you're gonna type out who your characters are gonna be. And then you're gonna come and you're gonna type out what your problem and your resolution, all of this, you're gonna fill it in. And then you're gonna fill the next one in. This is automatically gonna save with your name on it. And so if you don't fill it out, it's a 0 for today. If you fill it out all the way, it's a 100. And then I can look at it and give you some feedback to help you be ready to write your story tomorrow. So you need to look every day and make sure you finish everything. Let's look at what you have for math today. In math, you have 1 thing to go through. Make sure you finished yesterday's. In reading, classwork, reading today is Tuesday, you have 2 different things. First, you have this problem and solution part, you need to watch the slide presentation. That presentation, anything with this little yellow thing, that's gonna be the lesson. That's your teacher's teaching you. And then you have the assignment. You can't do the assignment until you've learned this, so make sure you look at it. Last but not least, let's look at science. Science, you have 1 thing here to do. The last thing I want to remind you, if you get on and the computer, you try and go to your classwork and the computer says something like you don't have access to that, that means you're not signed in correctly. You're probably still signed into brother's account, sister's account, your parents' account, someone else. So you need to click this little circle here and switch accounts. You can see I have 2 different accounts. Let me move this. I have my KIPP Texas account, but then I also have a different account. You just click on the next one and it'll switch you over. So here, oh, don't see your classes, I don't have anything. But if I click back to my KIPP Texas account, it shows all my classes. So if you're not seeing 4th grade classes, you're probably not signed in correctly. All right, that's it. So remember, make sure you're signed into your account. Make sure you look at all of your work for that day and you finish all of it, and make sure you read the directions. If you are confused about something, you probably didn't finish reading the directions, so go check it first. And of course, let your teachers know if you have any questions. Hope y'all have a great day and enjoy working on everything today. Bye.